Last summer, I hosted a huge backyard barbecue, only for my cheap propane grill to flare up, charring the steaks on one side while leaving the burgers raw on the other. It was embarrassing. Navigating the outdoor grill market is a nightmare of uneven heating, rust-prone grates, and flimsy builds. But after testing the top contenders, I've finally found the ultimate solutions that guarantee perfect sears and reliable heat. Stick around, because the grill at the #1 spot completely changed how I cook outdoors. 5. Pit Boss 4-Burner Ultimate Lift-Off Griddle. The most prominent feature is undeniably its proprietary non-stick armored ceramic cooking surface. When I first laid eyes on it, I was genuinely impressed by how sleek it looked compared to traditional cold-rolled steel griddles. The promise here is that it doesn't require the tedious seasoning process that standard griddles demand, and you can practically start cooking pancakes right out of the box. For the first few uses, this surface genuinely delivered on that promise, allowing spatulas to glide effortlessly while flipping delicate foods. Beyond the surface, the lift-off technology is what gives this model its name. The griddle top is designed to detach from the main cart, supposedly transforming it into a portable unit that you can take tailgating or camping. It features 4 stainless steel gas burners that pump out a combined 46,000 BTUs of heat. The cart itself feels somewhat robust at first glance, featuring a built-in bottle opener, paper towel holder, and folding side shelf that offer decent prep space when you are out in the yard getting your ingredients ready. However, my hands-on testing revealed some frustrating realities about this design. While the lift-off feature sounds fantastic on paper, the griddle top is incredibly heavy. Maneuvering it off the cart is definitely not a one-person job, making the portable aspect quite cumbersome and impractical for a quick weekend getaway. Furthermore, the heat distribution wasn't as even as I'd hoped. I noticed significant cool spots near the edges and front corners, meaning I had to constantly shuffle food around to ensure everything cooked evenly, which completely defeats the purpose of having a massive cooking surface. 4. Char-Broil Performance Series 4-Burner Gas Grill. This model presents itself as a classic, cabinet-style propane grill aimed squarely at the average backyard cook. Getting it set up, I immediately noticed the sleek stainless steel accents on the control panel and lid, which definitely give it a premium aesthetic without the premium price tag. The cabinet design is a nice touch, offering a concealed space to hide the propane tank and store a few essential grilling accessories out of the weather. On the performance side, this grill features 4 stainless steel top-ported burners intended to provide a wide temperature range and precise control. It utilizes an electronic ignition system that proved to be quite reliable during my testing. A simple push of a button fired up the burners consistently every time. The cooking grates are made of porcelain-coated cast iron, which are excellent for retaining heat and leaving those satisfying, professional-looking sear marks on steaks and burgers. Additionally, it comes equipped with a 10,000 BTU side burner, which I found surprisingly handy for simmering barbecue sauce while the main course cooked. But here is where my critical testing really exposed its flaws. The overall build quality leaves much to be desired. The metal used for the firebox and the cart feels noticeably thin and flimsy. When I rolled it across my patio, it rattled aggressively, lacking the solid, planted feel of higher-end models. This thin construction directly impacts its cooking performance, especially on breezy days. I found it struggled immensely to hold its internal temperature when the wind picked up, forcing the burners to work overtime and burning through propane much faster than anticipated. 3. Monument Grill's Mesa 404-Burner Propane Gas Grill. Right away, the standout feature is the Clearview glass window built directly into the stainless steel lid. This might seem like a gimmick at first, but I found it to be incredibly practical. Being able to monitor the cheese melting on my burgers or check on a delicate rack of ribs without lifting the lid meant I wasn't constantly letting precious heat escape. It fundamentally changed my grilling workflow for the better. Underneath that innovative lid, this grill packs serious power. It boasts 4 main stainless steel burners, plus a side burner, pushing out a massive total of 60,000 BTUs. During my sear tests, the Mesa 400 achieved incredibly high temperatures with ease, preheating much faster than the previous models I evaluated. The blue LED control knobs are another nice touch. They aren't just for show, as they genuinely helped illuminate the control panel during late evening cookouts when the sun started going down, adding a layer of convenience I didn't know I needed. The cooking experience here was notably more positive. The porcelain-coated cast iron grates provided a massive, edge-to-edge cooking surface that felt robust and held heat beautifully. I was particularly impressed by the evenness of the heat distribution. Unlike the lower-ranked grills, I could comfortably fill the entire grate with sausages and peppers, confident that the food on the perimeter was cooking at nearly the exact same rate as the food in the dead center. The built-in thermometer on the lid was also surprisingly accurate when compared to my digital ambient probes. Maintenance and longevity also appear much more promising with the Mesa 400. 2. Blackstone 36-inch Culinary Omnivore Griddle with hood. The sheer scale of the cooking surface is breathtaking. You have over 760 square inches of flat-top freedom, which completely transforms how you plan meals. During my testing, I effortlessly cooked a massive breakfast for a dozen people, with pancakes, eggs, bacon, and hash browns all going simultaneously without ever feeling crowded. The Culinary series design also elevates the aesthetic, looking like a premium appliance rather than a basic piece of outdoor gear. The real magic of this unit lies in the proprietary Omnivore griddle plate technology. Blackstone redesigned the bottom of the griddle plate with built-in wind guards and a thicker construction to optimize heat retention and distribution. In my practical tests, this resulted in phenomenal fuel efficiency. I was able to achieve ripping hot surface temperatures while using significantly less propane than older models. The built-in wind guards proved highly effective, keeping the flame steady and the griddle hot even when gusts of wind rolled through my backyard, a scenario that would have crippled lesser grills. Cooking on the Omnivore is genuinely a joy. The recovery time is remarkably fast. When you drop a dozen cold, thick burger patties onto the steel for smash burgers, the surface temperature barely drops, allowing for an incredibly aggressive, flavorful crust to form instantly. The 4 independently controlled burners allow for true zone cooking. I could have a high heat zone for searing steaks on the right, a medium zone for sautéing onions in the middle, and a low heat zone on the left for toasting buns. The addition of the hardcover hood is the perfect finishing touch. 1. Weber Genesis E325. From the moment you assemble this grill, you can feel the uncompromising engineering and premium materials. It doesn't rattle, it doesn't flex, and it stands like a tank on your patio. The painted black finish is immaculate, and the heavy-duty lid feels substantial in your hands. Weber has completely redesigned the Genesis line, and this specific model represents the absolute pinnacle of traditional gas grilling, focusing relentlessly on power, precision, and a flawless user experience. The cooking architecture of the E325 is phenomenal. It utilizes Weber's proprietary high-performance burners, which produce a continuous, perfectly even flame across the entire length of the tube. This translates into the most perfectly even heat distribution I have ever recorded in a gas grill. But the true star of the show is the extra-large sear zone. By igniting an additional dedicated burner nestle between the main burners, I was able to create an intensely hot, focused area that delivered steakhouse-quality sears, locking in juices and creating an unbelievable crust in seconds. The versatility here is unmatched. It features an expandable top cooking grate that folds out to create a massive secondary grilling level, perfect for keeping side dishes warm or slowly roasting delicate vegetables while the main course finishes below. Furthermore, this grill is compatible with the Weber-crafted outdoor kitchen collection. By removing the right side cooking grate, I could drop in custom-fit accessories like a roasting basket, a pizza stone, or even a flat-top griddle piece, effectively replacing an entire outdoor kitchen with just one impeccably designed unit. Ultra. That's all for today.